Yeah. Big dog status. Yeah. Big dog status, I'm a big dog vet. I pull up on the block in a big Corvette. Yeah. Riding around the city with a stick all black. Try with a stroke, but we ain't with all that. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah.
Morning guys! Good morning! It's our day 3 in Bangkok guys and it's 5:47 and we're going now to the airport because we're going to Phuket. We woke up so early guys. So yung flight namin is 9:45 so we have to be there at the airport at least 2 hours or 3 hours. So, yung airport na pupuntahan namin today is Don Muang. So, I don't know if I pronounce it correctly. Don Muang or Don Muang. So, doon kami na airport, guys. Di kami babalik sa Suvarnabhumi. So, yun. We are ready. We're just waiting for the Grab, guys. And we're ready to leave. So, this is the view. Morning view. So see you guys.
Hi guys, naka-terno kami ngayon. Terno shorts. Terno!
Nagalitan si Rhea guys. Nandito na pala kami sa Don Muang Airport. So hindi pa open yung gate namin for check-in. Nag-aantay lang muna kami. We'll check first our terminal.
We have to go 2 hours before.
Okay, okay. So, nandito na kami. It's already 6:30, guys. Madami ding pasahero. Pero ewan namin sa Phuket, madami ba. Pero okay lang naman. So, machi-machi kami ngayon for today's video. Dito yung nabili namin kahapon, guys. Sa Pratana. 180 baht per set.
Set na. Very comfy.
18 dirhams. Oo, very comfy siya. Ewan ko anong nangyari sa boses ko siguro dahil maaga pa. Yeah.
Bibili kami ng ng tini, chachamu.
Explore namin yung airport muna, guys. So yeah, see you later. Guys, nandito kami sa Chatra Mall. Ito yung sikat na coffee or cafe sa mga authentic Thai drinks na ganon. Dito sa loob ng airport. Then, hindi din masyadong mahal. Same lang yata sa labas, guys.
50 lang.
50 lang. Yung binili namin is hot Thai coffee kasi nga sobrang aga pa. Ayaw namin mag-ice coffee, guys. Then, bumili lang si Rhea ng fried rice.
Again.
Yes, Szechuan. So, yeah. Daming tao. Lahat ng empleyado ng airport dito lumibili ng kape.
Mura lang.
Kasi mura lang. Then may binibenta sila ng mga Thai powder. Mga Thai milk tea, mga ganon. So yes, antay lang kami sa order namin and then we're ready to eat.
Kaya siya.
We finally made it. Nasa loob na kami, guys.
Tapos namin sa immigration. Check.
Saglit lang.
Check.
Sobrang saglit lang, no?
Question mo, ano?
No questions and everything. They just check our boarding pass, our passport, kalas. Diretso na kami dito sa loob. So yeah, it's already 7:30. We still have 2 hours.
I don't know what to do.
Yes, busog na naman kami, guys. So,
Okay, let's see.
check.
Ikot-ikot mo na kami.
Ikot muna kami and then we will find a place where we can rest.
That's true.
Yes.
มีผู้พบได้สายตา มีผู้พบได้สายตา
Okay, สวัสดีค่ะ
บริเวณจุดตรวจค้น
ค่ะ
ผู้ที่เป็นเจ้าของ
Boarding time.
Hi guys. Boarding na. Going to
ในกรณีที่เกิดเหตุการณ์ฉุกเฉินใช้ผู้โดยสารที่นั่งติดกับทางออกฉุกเฉิน
Excited much.
ลูกเรือในการเปิดทางออกฉุกเฉินโปรดแจ้งพนักงานต้อนรับ
Malaki din yung
และขอติดที่นั่ง
plane,
ค่ะ
no?
หากท่านกำลังใช้อุปกรณ์อิ
Yung
เล็กทรอ
airlines
นิกส์เช่น
is Thai Lion Air.
แล็ปท็อปเครื่องเล่น MP3
Thai Lion
เครื่อง
Air.
เล่นเกม
Thailand, yung flight is 1 hour
ขอ
lang.
ความร่วมมือปิดสวิตช์อุปกรณ์
Thailand
ด้วย
to
ค่ะ
Phuket.
สา
Bangkok
มารถใช้
to
อุปกรณ์เหล่า
Phuket.
นี้ได้ในรูปแบบ
How much we
ไฟ
paid for the
เมื่อ
ticket?
สัญญาณแจ้งรัดเข็มขัดได้ดับลง
500 dirham.
หากท่านมีข้อสงสัยประการใด
500 dirhams
สา
for
มารถสอบ
both
ถามได้จากพนักงานต้อนรับ
No, 580.
สายการบินไทยไลออน
Mura
แอ
lang.
ร์มีความยินดีที่ได้ต้อนรับท่าน
Alright,
ในวันนี้ค่ะพนักงานทุกคนหวังเป็นอย่างยิ่ง
We arrived here. We are safely landed here in Phuket. So it's already 11:24, guys.
Late flight.
Not much.
It is.
Anyway, nakatulog kami sa aeroplano. Hindi namin na malayan yung flight. Tulog kami. Dalawa. So the weather here is sunny today. Hopefully, hindi siya uulan, guys. So we can enjoy our stay here in Phuket. See you! Guys, yes. Dito na kami nakalabas na kami. So, pagkalabas nyo, madaming mga services dito. They offered services. So, may minibus. Kung ayaw nyo mag-grab, may minibus. May taxi, mga ganyan. So, tanong namin kung ilang oras yung minibus.
Maybe 10 or 15 minutes. Yeah. Kuya patok.
Karon.
Aron 200 baht per person. Hindi,
How long it will take?
1 hour from here.
1 hour from here.
But 15 minutes we will go.
10 or 15 minutes.
Okay.
Hello, Renzi.
Here's the prices, guys. Here's the prices. So, guys, ang 15 minutes, guys, kinaabot na. It's already 12. Kasi nag-aantay pa ng ibang pasahero. Kasi parang joiner lang kasi kami. So, lima pa yung pasahero. Nag-aantay pa kami. So, let's see guys if nandito na. Finally guys, nandito na yung van namin. So, it's 12:09. So, mga 1 hour na yung travel papuntang Taro. So, yeah. Tulog na naman si Ryan. So, malayo yung mga places dito guys. It will take an hour from the airport. So, yung nabayaran namin is 200 baht each. So, it's 20 dirham each.
Pero check nyo sa mga booking.com that you're going baka mas mura.
Baka mas mura yung nabook nyo na hotel. Mga ganun.
Ano yung joiner?
Yung mga joiner. Kasi nga,
Dito na kami bumili.
dito na kayo ba? Gusto yung mag-grab, may grab din. Pero it will cost 900 plus. Depends sa destination. Sa amin, Bukarol, it will cost 920 something. Iwan ko kung sa Patong kayo, other area. Kasi if you're going to Caron, 900 something. Yung grab. As we've said, if you're a budget traveler, you have to go to the mas mura niya. Okay.
Nag-rent kami ng private na.
Guys, kami na lang naiwan. Sobrang traffic.
They're almost there.
It's already almost 2 p.m. guys. Umalis kami sa airport at 12:30 something. And it's already too much. Nakatulog na kami. We are still here. Traffic din pala din. Traffic tapos yung street nila is maliit lang. Yung madaming mga esquinas. May mga intersection. Ganun. Tagal lang. Makamigkain. And then yung beach. Grabe yung alam.
Kumain kasi kami sila.
Kumain kami dun sa Patong na beach talaga. So yun, update you later kapag nasa hotel.
A few moments later.
Hi, Karen.
Hi guys, we're finally arrived. It's already 2:20.
Yeah.
So we just
Look,
checked in.
they have a
and
little-
then this is
little-
our room.
Little design for the room.
So we're staying in High Caron Hostel, and they're located nearby lang gid sa beach,
And
guys.
imagine,
At the front, like
they provide us umbrella as well because it's raining here.
yeah, it's LGBT color.
Yeah, it's fun.
Yeah,
I
so
love it. I love the rain. Oh,
it's
I love
raining
the
actually,
balcony as
guys,
well.
and then we have balcony. I'm gonna show you the room. Okay, for a moment. That's our king size bed.
Very, very big. You go there, maybe like 2.5 meters.
Yeah. And then to your left side, we have all the amenities. We have TV, we have chair, we have kettle, and we have mini fridge. And this is the main door,
And the aircon.
the AC as well. So we have a small closet area where we hang our clothes here. We have the shoe rack and then mirror, of course. And then the best part is we have balcony, guys. In the mini garden. See? Nasa ground floor lang kami.
And this is only cost you 130 dirhams.
200.
2 nights. 130
130.
dirhams.
Because we only paid 1,300 baht.
Yeah, let's say it's 140, 150.
Yeah, so this is the room.
Still.
And then gonna show you the bathroom. Our bathroom is huge as well, guys. This is the bathroom. This is the bathroom. So kung hindi naman kayo maarte, guys, this one is super sulit na. You can bring all your family member. Maybe 4 people can fit inside this room. So big. Yeah.
Huge.
So, settle lang kami, guys. So, just freshen up because, oh my God, it's still raining. Because
Hanap lang yung food sila.
dito kami nakapag-lunch. We have to eat lunch. We are so gutom na. Yeah, so later, ang agenda namin later, we will be going to Big Buddha and Wat Chalong Temple. If it's not raining, inshallah. Hihinto yung ulan ng elevator dito. So, hindi na kami mas-stress going up. Dito lang kami sa baba. So, yeah. See you later, guys. We'll update you.
It's raining. In Phuket. Yes. Madam. What to do, madam?
What to do? Just enjoy the rain, guys.
Wala sa Dubai niyan. O, diba? Perfect na may payong LGBT. Hi guys. Hi guys.
Guys, dito kami sa isang restaurant malapit lang sa hostel namin. Buti na lang medyo tumila na yung ulan. Sobrang lamig, guys. Pero amazed kasi umuulan siya. Wala dito sa Dubai. Oo, nag-order lang kami ng tom yum soup and then fried rice as usual. So natitila na talaga yung ulan pero makulimlim pa siya. Kasi gusto namin puntahan yung Big Buddha at saka yung Wat Chalong. Pero ewan ko maganda ba yung Big Buddha kasi nga foggy. Foggy, oo. Foggy kasi. Let's see, kakain lang muna kami, guys. Because it's already 3 p.m. Hindi pa kami nakakain. So yeah. See you.
Second chang for the week. First chang in Phuket. Chang, local beer. Expensive din siya dito, guys, kasi nasa restaurant kami.
Guys, I just ordered iced coffee.
Kahit umuulan.
Because I'm so sleepy. I need some caffeine.
This is also caffeine. Chan! How was it?
Guys, the food is here. Kain na kami, guys. It's so good to...
First tom yum ni Abigail.
Guys, in fairness, masarap yung tom yum. Magkano yan? 100 baht. 120. The big one you order? Or the small one? Seafood tom yum, guys. 120.
Sulit kayo guys. As in, sobrang sarap.
Fried rice as well.
The fried rice also. Oh. Okay guys, kain muna kami. Alright.
Sa Swiss yung pangalan yung Swiss Rosti Ed's Eating Restaurant. Try namin yung pancake. Pancake nila guys. It's only 50 and 60 baht. Depende. Yes, so first try of this very thin pancake. Hangin guys. Very thin. Okay. My first bite. Let's try. Wait.
Hot?
Tamis na.
Sabi?
So, sobrang nipis. Matamis lang talaga siya. Kasi
It's
nga.
yummy.
But it tastes so good. It tastes so good. I'm gonna check the beach.
Alright, let's go. Two minutes walk from the hostel. 2 minutes. Pulot na. Siya ng mangga guys, 5 dirhams lang. Patingin mangga mo? 1 kilo for 5 dirhams. Very happy yarn. Oh my god. Look how bad is the weather. Oh my god. So taas, daalon.
The wave.
The wave's so high.
So high and strong.
Strong.
Din mukhang madumi yung dagat kasi yung sand niya,
Brown.
it's brown. Sobrang lapad ng beach guys. Going all the way there. Yun lang, hindi pwedeng mag-swimming kasi sobrang laki ng alon. As in,
Yeah.
dito lang kami, chill.
So chill lang.
Saglit lang.
Bye.
Iisip lang kami ni Rhea kung ano yung pwede namin gawin in case ganito pa rin yung weather tomorrow. Kasi ayaw din namin ma-waste yung time, nandito na kami. So as much as possible, may activity kami na gagawin which is
Sana.
inshallah, kasi plano namin bukas mag-island hopping talaga kami guys. But hindi pa naman kami nag-book. Maghahanap kami dito, magtatanong kami if ever na ganito pa rin yung weather tomorrow, if may refund ba kami nila if ever hindi matuloy. So ano yung mga tawag dito, rules and policy nila regarding that. So let's see kung ano yung
Kung hindi, di ano na lang, sa elephant na lang talaga.
oo, yan yung option ko. If wala, at least sa elephant na lang kami para ayaw din naming
Oo. And then kapag bukas naman, mainit na, and then the same pa rin yung condition ng dagat, hindi din safe. So, ayaw din namin i-risk yung life namin because of that. Anyway, we can still come back here in
Ang
Phuket.
ano talaga, ang taas talaga ng waves. Tingnan nyo.
Sobra talaga. And then, namimix na yung sun at saka yung tubig. Kaya kung titingnan nyo, para siyang madumi. Kasi hindi siya white sand, guys. Cream yung sand niya, no? So, kaya ganyan. Yan.
Taas.
Sobrang taas. Kahit surfing, hindi kaya dito, guys. Kasi yung wave is continuous. Wala siyang tawag dito. Yung wave.
With you, I can't be sad with you. Just take my hand and fly up through the dreams where the skies are so clear. With you, I wanna stay with you. With you, I love the way that you love me today. Let's run up through the clouds where the sun shines and heals. With you, I wanna stay with you. It's been so cold.
It's monsoon, guys. It's actually it's rainy season here. That's why because it's not peak season. But pinamit pa rin daming tourist taas. Yes. Let's go, guys. Tara, palubo tayo.
With you, I can't be sad with you. Just take my
Guys, sobrang laki ng alon. Matagas ba sa amin yung nasa sa amin yung alon.
I wanna stay.
Malamig yung tubig. Warm. So dangerous. Good. Not advisable to shoot like this, guys. Just wait for the water to come down. Baby, calm down. Okay. So, update you later kung ano man mangyari. Bye.
Hi guys, good evening. Wow.
Good evening.
Good evening.
Yes, and
Bagong ligo, fresh.
fresh yung feeling naman, guys. Nakaligo lang namin. It's already 7:16. Walang ganap.
Then may ganap, pupunta kami ng Kata Night Market.
Check namin yung night market kasi malapit lang siya dito. How many minutes walk?
17 minutes walk.
7 minutes. Quite far.
Quite far, but it's fine.
Yeah, check namin doon kung anong ganap doon. And yeah, that's the agenda for tonight, guys. And then doon na lang din kami magdi-dinner. Check namin kung ano yung mga nandun. And that's all.
See you later.
See you later, alligator. Hi guys! Dito na kami sa Kata area.
Kata Night Market.
Kata Night Market daw to sabi ni Realin, guys. Pero wala pa akong nakikitang mga ganap. Kasi papasok pa kami.
Mga kainan lang siya.
Duman kami sa highway, guys. Just,
So,
parang yung daanan parang zigzag. Ano. Kakaligo ko lang pero pawis na ako.
di ba wala pa nga 15 minutes lang.
Oo, 15 minutes lang naman yung lakad pero papawisan ka, guys.
It's because
May narinig na ako, may naganta. Hindi masyado madaming tao, guys.
Ewan ko kay Rialin.
Tingnan na natin. Then we will...
This is the area.
I ordered 2 fried rice and green papaya salad. Oh, that's right. Full sea bus for only 2 of us. And I'm going to walk around and look for Thai coffee.
Guys, this place is not so big. Tapos, hindi ko yung inihinto yung market na ina-expect ko, guys. Pero, what to do, nandito na kami. Kaysa bumalik pa kami. Wala ang layo ng nilakad namin. Like 15 minutes walk. Pero okay na rin. Try namin yung food dito if masarap siya. Then after, maybe we will just buy some drinks and then doon na lang kami sa kwartong waiting.
So I bought lanzones.
How much?
This is 50 baht, 5 dirhams.
Wow.
And this is 70, no, 49, let's say 50 baht as well.
1 kg?
No, it's half.
Half.
No, almost 1 kilo, 3/4. And it's only 50 baht each. So, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So our food is here na.
No, not yet, the grill.
We're waiting for the grilled fish.
We will try our green salad. This is appetizer, okay? You ready? They said it's really good. Let's try. First taste of the green salad. It's like a chara.
Chara gani.
Yeah. But it's not really spicy. Not spicy.
How about the rice?
Too many. But I can finish it.
Try.
This is garlic rice.
You put
Very good. This is good. With the grilled fish later, I think that will be great. That's it. Nice.
This is the grilled sibas. All the foods here. Happy yarn.
For 5 people. It's very nice. This is the whole sea bus, guys, huh? Whole. Not just...
Guys, ganan mo tanaw ni Hawk. Nandito si Hawk, guys. Guys, tapos na kaming mag-dinner. Pauwi na kami. Busog na busog si Rialin sa kinain niya, guys. Diyos ko, ang daming rice.
Take out na lang.
Tinake out na lang niya. Kasi nga, sana isa na lang pala yung in-order namin. So, ngayon naglalakad kami, guys. Hindi ko alam kung ano yung mga umiilaw ba. Makakatakot naman ni yung mga kuryente nila dito nagsaspark. Ewan ko kung normal lang ba to o ano ba. So, naglalakad kami sa ibang way. Hindi kami doon sa highway. Dito kami sa kabilang side, guys. Malamig ang simoy ng hangin. Oo, parang Boracay dito, guys. May mga madaming mga shops. Parang talipapa sa Boracay. Hindi mall, mga ganyan. Okay. Problema kami, guys, kasi hindi pa nag-confirm yung flow sa binook namin na elephant activity tomorrow. Pero successful yung payment, guys, pero hindi pa siya totally confirmed. Booking, yung nakalagay dun is booking to assist it. Guys, funny kayo si Rialin.
Oh, hindi ako.
Diba? Sabi ko sa inyo na pupunta kami sa Kata Night Market. So, dumaan kami doon kasi sabi niya, dalawa daw yung sinuggest ni Google na way. It's highway or the beach road. So, pinapili niya ako which way I want. And then, I chose the highway kasi nga alam na namin yung beach road. So, at first nagtaka ako bakit dito tayo dumaan kasi nga wala namang ganap. Sobrang tahimik ganun. Yun pala guys, iba pala yung daan.
Mali.
Mali pala si Google
Dapat
talaga
beach
yung
area.
Oo.
Ayan o, 5
Dito talaga yung daanan guys. So,
Ito pala talaga yung daan.
along the way lang makikita yung mga ganap, mga bar, mga restaurant, mga kainan lahat. Nandun pala. So parang di na kami na-excite kasi nga busog na kami.
Pero busog na lang.
Pero masarap naman yung food na kinainan namin. Yun lang.
Yeah.
At least kung doon kami kumain, mas maganda yung vibe kasi ang daming tao. Parang eat local
Pero
talaga.
commercialized na rin.
Oh, siyempre sobrang dami ng tao. Pero yun lang.
Nakakatawa lang kasi nadaanan namin. Tapos, ay, ito pala yun.
Oo. Dami palang mga bar din dito, guys.
Para na siyang patong. Pero hindi siya
Pero,
sa
oo, pero hindi siya gaya talaga ng patong na mga wild party.
Wild.
Yung may mga bar lang din, oh, pero chill.
Maganda.
Yes.
We'll show you. May mga videos kami.
So yan, naglalakad kami. I don't know how many minutes from there going to our hotel. 10 minutes daw. Sabi ni Google.
Sabi ni Google.
Okay. Ang dami pa lang din mga mga massage center. Massage center dito. Oo, mga nail salon, mga ganun. Gusto ko sana pero
Magpa-braid. Magpa-braid ka na lang.
mapabraid. Oo, mapabraid.
Magpa-braid na lang. 300.
Mm. It smells so good. Mm. Hindi ako pwedeng magpa-massage, guys.
Yes, din.
Wrong timing.
Nasa end.
Baka pagpunta na lang namin ulit sa Bangkok before kami uwi. So, yan. Gusto namin ma-try yung authentic Thai massage. So, yun guys. I'll update you later.